Hello, hi everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Oktra Sembiring. Here to present the result of my work with the title is BIM for Owners and Facility Managers 4.0 Executive Summary. Owners can realize significant benefits on projects by using BIM process and tools to streamline the delivery of higher quality and better performing projects. BIM facilitates collaboration within project participants, reducing errors and failed change and leading to a more efficient and reliable delivery process that reduce project time and cost. There are many potential areas for BIM contribution. Owner can use a building information model to base building performance through BIM-based energy and lighting design and analysis to improve overall building performance. Reduce the financial risk associated with the project using the BIM model to obtain a real and more reliable cost estimates and improve collaboration of the project team. Certain projects from approval to completion by using building models to coordinate and replicate design with reduced failure oversight. Obtain reliable and accurate cost estimates through automatic quantity takeoff model, providing feedback earlier in a project when decisions will have a impact. Ensure program compliance through ongoing analysis of the building model against owner and local code requirements. Last is optimize facility management and maintenance by exporting the latest building and equipment information to start the system that will be used over the life cycle of the facility. 4.1 Introduction. Why owners should care about the IEC industry is facing a similar revolution, following by process change and entirely shift from 2D-based documentation and steps delivery process to a digital prototype and collaborative workflow. The foundation of BIM is one or more coordinated and information-rich building modules with capabilities for virtual prototyping, analysis, and virtual construction of a project. Tools probably enhance today's CAD capabilities with an improved ability to link design information with business process, such as estimating sales, forecasts, and operations. These tools support a collaborative rather than fragmented approach to project procurement. This collaboration builds trust and common goals that serve owner rather than competitive relationships, where each team members strives to maximize their individual goals. This is a feature of value of facility documentation. A is traditional single stage learning based deliverables. B is traditional facility management database system. C is BIM-based deliverables throughout the project delivery and operation process. D is setup of facility management or BIM database. E, integration of FM with back office systems. F, use of as-built drawing for resolve it. And G is update of FM database. 4.2 BIM application areas for owners. Because of the considerable potential impact that BIM can have on these problems, the owner is in a position to benefit most from its use. Thus, it is critical that owners of all sides understand how BIM application can enable competitive advantage and allow their organization to better respond to market demands and yield a better return on their capital investments. In those instances in which service providers are reading the BIM implementation signal on competitive advantage, educated owner can better leverage the expertise and know-how of the design and construction team. In the following section, we provide an overview of drivers that are motivating all types of owners to adopt BIM technologies and we describe the different types of BIM applications available today. These drivers are design assessment early and often, complexity of facilities, time to market, cost reliability, and management, to quality and terms of leakage, malfunction, unwarranted and maintenance, sustainability, and asset management. Design management integrate development of programmatic requirements. During the programmatic and feasibility phase, owners working with their consultants develop programs and requirements for projects. They often perform this process with respect to feasibility and cost of various programmatic features or project requirements. One potential tool to facilitate this process is being storm and environment and process developed by Onuma systems, which allows owners and multiple participants and stakeholders to conceptualize a project, solicit input from multiple sources, and assess in real time various design options from cost, time, and sustainability perspective. Improve program compliance through BIM spatial analysis. The case study includes figures demonstrating how building models can communicate in real time but speciality and data form to check compliance with requirements. Different colors are automatically assigned to room based on their dimensions or functions. In some cases, the color coding can alert designs or on a room that exit or don't meet existing requirements. The visual feedback is invaluable during conceptual and semantic design. Thus, the owner can better ensure that the requirements of their organization are met and that operational efficiency program decide on valuable input from project stakeholders to visual have little time or struggle with understanding their information provided about project. The traditional use of real-time and highly heterogeneous technologies are one-time events for the team and for the tools make audit design operation easier and more fuel economical. Complexity of building infrastructure and building environment. Coordinating infrastructure through fully integrated to models of MEP, architectural and structural system. A building information model enables the coordination of the building infrastructure across all disciplines. The owner of facility can equal its own representative from its maintenance and operation staff to provide input and review of the model. Regardless of design flaws and potentially be of editing. The crucial bridge southern data center and the implementation of projects demonstrate how an owner can work with a construction team to coordinate complex contract and MEP system using digital 3D models. Achieving higher quality and maintainable infrastructure through interactive use of coordinated models. And owners need to go beyond typical MEP coordination to ensure that the MEP data or telecom and equipment are accessible and maintainable. This is particularly crucial for companies who depend heavily on the these systems, such as biotech and technology companies, which demand reliable 24/7 service. Interactive review models almost literally access and simulate maintenance procedures. Content litigation through collaborative equation and turn of building information models. This issue include design and proceeding change on a constraint that did not meet contractual requirements and contributors agreeing about scope of work and lack of information on inaccurate project implementation. Process is centered on a building model can mitigate such situations in particular. Policy and resolution necessary for creating a model. Collaborative effort for creating models often leads to better accountability among participants. Sustainability. Reduce energy consumption through energy realized. On average, a for $150 to $2 per square foot. Personal cost as and will be 2005. 50,000 square foot facility is amount to $75,000 to $8,000 annually. Investment in an energy saving systems such as enhanced installation reduce energy consumption by 10% and translates to $8,000 to $10,000 in savings. Improve operational productivity with calculation and simulation tools. Sustainable design can improve the impact of our workplace productivity. Studies suggest that daylighting their office improves security and reduce absence, improvement and restaurants. 19, 1905. BIM technologies provide owners with tools needed for assessing the appropriate trade-offs when considering use of clear lighting and the mitigation of glare from it best compared with project costs of a project requirements. The thinking is on is to the compare different schemes to maximize the potential benefits of different business systems. Cost reliability and management. All reliable estimates really process with conceptual being estimate. Estimates that use conceptual being information model consisting of components with historical cost information, with information and other estimated information can provide owners with quick feedback in previous design scenarios. Where estimates and be available very early in the production protocol processing of cash flow and foreign finance. Faster greater detail and more accurate estimate with BIM to take off tools. Both owners and estimators struggle with the ability to respond to design and performance change and understand the impact of tools change on the overall project estimates. By linking design model with estimating process, the team can speed up quantitative and overall estimating process and get faster feedback on robust design change. For example, owners can automatically derive accurate quantities and in turn streamline and verify estimates of designers and subcontractors. Longer 2006. Reduce site to market through the use of parametric models, long building cycles, increase market rates, regulate and recognize input economics, take giants, reach the market and maintain turn, today making the project rely return on investment. BIM process such a BIM-based design and paper verification and greatly reduce the project duration from the project approval to realistic completion. Component parametric model make design change easier to manufacturing dates for documentation, semantic such complex project design with rigid by which this is roughly half of what would have been required for a conventional design build approach. Reduce schedule duration with 3D coordination and prefabrication. Participate of cost for construction delays or lengthy projects, either interest payment on loans delayed in something farm or over discount sales good of products. Replication of wind to support early combination construction, generalize and prefabrication rate, improve design and field productivity, reduce field required significant reduction of overall construction rate, schedule which result in completion forecast on time. It is schedule rests with wind-based planning. Schedules are often impacted by dependencies on particular organization or complex sequence of activities. This often occur in project implementation of existing facilities where construction must be coordinated with ongoing operation. quickly respond to exchange response. Owner and their service providers often encounter unforeseen conditions that even the best digital models cannot predict. Teams using digital models are often better positioned to respond to unforeseen conditions and get back on schedule. For example, a project was slated to open the Thanksgiving holiday shipping season. Mission of building more efficiently. According to building commission position, building commission provides documented confirmation that building systems are according to the various set for the project documentary satisfy the honest operational smooth. Quickly complete facility management knowledge. In the Coast Guard facility planning case study, the team released a 98% time saving by using building information models to populate and edit the facility management database. The savings are attributed to reducing elaborate to enter this spatial information. BIM estimating tools. Honor use estimates to baseline their project cost of perform financial forecasting or to perform analysis. Facility and asset management tools, not existing facility management tools, either rely on original 3D information to present space of numerical data entered in a spreadsheet for most facility managers, respective managing space and their work and facility assets does not require 3D information but should be combined as risk and add value to management function. Operations meeting tools, operations meeting tools are another emerging category of software tools for owners to reduce data from operating information model. An owner and facility managers building. Owners need now only be conversant in the kinds of BIM tools available, but also understand the scope and level of detail they desire for a building model and their projects. Reading the BIM implementation on the project. Owners control the selection of design service providers, the type of procurement and delivery process, and the overall specifications and requirements of a facility. Unfortunately, many owners accept the current status quo and may not perceive their ability to change or control how buildings is delivered. They may, they may even be unaware of the benefits that can be derived from the process. Barriers to implementing the risk and common needs. The market is not ready, it's still in a fragile phase. Many owners believe that if they change the contract to require new types of building models, especially build 3D or building models, they will not decide competitive. Barriers to implementing BIM risk and common. Is it true that 2 to 5 years ago, the creation of integrate or required extensive effort on the part of project team and educated technically expertise to support the integration. Guidelines and uses for owners to consider when adopting BIM. Adopting BIM alone will not necessarily lead to project success. BIM is a set of technologies and implementable process. It must be supported by the team, the management, and the cooperative owner. One operator project with a short time frame, small qualified team, and clear goal. The initial effort should use either internal resource or trusted supply providers if the organization has working. The more courage an owner builds with respect to the present of BIM, the more the future effort is accepted. As the owner develops more complexity to identify and select qualified service providers and builds compressed teams. Do a prototype dry run when doing a project. It's always best to do dry run and make sure those processes are in place to succeed. Focus on clear business goals while it's subject with this many different benefits. No single project has yet achieved All these benefits in case down the study, associating problem or goal and succeed. Establish metrics to assess progress. Metrics are critical to seeing the implementation of new processing technologies, including cost execution and schedule. As will achieve C4 capable of design on construction, Kunz and Fisher, 2007. As described in the video before, an owner participant is a key factor of project success because we always in the best position to lead a project team to collaborate in ways that exploit in its fullest benefit. This is my presentation. Thanks for listening.